Hello and welcome to English Composition 2, aka English 1020. I'm Michelle Zupa, your instructor. This is our announcements page. At a minimum, there'll be a new announcement every week to tell us what we're doing in class that week. There'll be a link to the main lesson for the week and anything I want to call out to you, things that are due, how we're all doing. In addition, I may also post announcements if there's anything I need to tell you, a reminder, a change in course policy. If several people are asking the same question, I will clarify it through an announcement. So whenever you come here, you should be on this page. You should definitely check in at least 3 times a week with the class to keep up what's going on and to read the discussions and stay involved. It's better for your grade if you stay involved. So let's take a quick look over here. This is our course menu over here on the left. Calendar, announcements is where we are. Contacts, this is me. The best way to reach me is by email or by Blackboard IM. I'll show you that in a second. And we also have Western Wyoming Community College contacts, Blackboard help, and the folks at the Distance Learning Office who are very wonderful, fabulous people to deal with. If you have any technical issues or any questions, you can contact them for help or me. Please don't ever hesitate to contact me. That's not me, I'm sorry. I'm over here. Contact me by email or by IM chat. I do not ever mind answering your questions. Don't ever be afraid that it's too minor or too silly or that you're bothering me. Please ask. That's why I'm here. Course information. We've got our syllabus, our plagiarism policy, information on our textbook, Blackboard tips and tricks. That's very important. If you need any help with Blackboard, this is the manual, and you can look that over before we get started, or if you get stuck on anything, just come on over here. And then I'll throw these up as they come up, little videos on how to do XYZ in Microsoft Word, like how to set up an MLA document or use the references tab. Okay, let's go to our assignments. And as a reminder, the assignments is where you want to go after you've read the announcement. So you can get that here at the bottom or up here on the menu. So at the top of the page, we've got our description, our objectives. The objectives are general statements of what we're going to do. This week we're going to do 5 things. Understand how to get help with Blackboard and how the site is organized. Understand course policies and expectations. Introduce yourself to your classmates and meet them. Analyze an argument essay and have some topic ideas for your essay. Yes, we're going really fast and we have a lot to do every week because this course is only 8 weeks long. You can expect to spend about 10 hours a week on this class. If you don't have that much time, you might want to find a different class. This week 1 assignment checklist, every week there will be an assignment checklist which names what we're doing, when it's due. It's all 100 points. Things are weighted. For instance, the research essay is 35% of your grade. Things like the quizzes and the discussions and the writing exercises are 30% of your grade. Hello, welcome to English Composition 2, English 1020. I'm Michelle Zupa. This is an F Block 8-week course running from Monday, October 20th, 2014 through Thursday, December 11th, 2014. When you come to this class, please read the announcements first. Every week there'll be a new announcement giving an overview of the week and a link to that week's assignments page. But there will also be announcements posted whenever I need to remind you of anything or tell you something new or answer a question that everybody's been asking. So please always come here and read the announcements. Take some time and go through these important links for the course. These are our main course areas. Our calendar, announcements is where we are, contacts. This is how you get in touch with me, by email or by Blackboard IM. And we've also got WWCC contacts, Blackboard help, and the Distance Learning Office, and Casey and Kay, who are lovely young women who can help you with any questions or technical difficulties you might be having about using Blackboard or Mustang Cruiser or, technical stuff. Questions about the class, you ask me. Okay, course information. Here we've got the syllabus, plagiarism, our book, and our Blackboard tips and tricks manual. So you can look through this now, or you can look through it if you just need help finding something. I'll also throw in some guidelines for using Microsoft Word from time to time, since sometimes students need a little help to do things. Let's go on over to our assignments page, which are organized by week. And again, in announcements, you can click here to get to the week 1 assignments, or you can click on assignments. So let's go ahead and look at what we're doing this first week. This is a little description. You see this when you're on that outer shell. But here we've got our 5 objectives for the week. You're going to understand how the site is organized and how to get help with Blackboard if you need it, which we kind of already went over. You're going to understand course policies and expectations. You're going to introduce yourself to your classmates and meet them. You're going to analyze an argument essay. You're going to come up with some topic ideas for your essay. Yes, we are moving fast. We only have 8 weeks. So you should plan on spending about 10 hours a week on this class. If that's too much, maybe this isn't the best choice for you. Maybe you would be better in a 16-week class or a 12-week class. You can contact me if you have any questions about that. This is very important. Always come in and read through the weekly assignment checklist. Here we're listing everything that we're doing with a due date and, if applicable, point values. The first item, reading an assignment review. That means that by Thursday you're going to go through this whole page and read everything, watch the videos that are here, understand the material. After you're done reading the material and understanding it, you'll be ready to go to our discussion board, where we're going to apply what we've learned and practice what we've learned in discussion. And then our other assignments, writing exercise. This week we have a short writing exercise. Here are instructions on how to upload it to this Turnitin box. And we're also going to have a quiz, which is mostly based on the syllabus, and a diagnostic grammar quiz so I can see where everybody is to start. That won't affect your grade, but I would appreciate it if you would all take it. Over here on the menu board on Tools, you can download this Blackboard IM tool so you can chat with me and visit me in my office hours. This is your link for your grades. Here's a roster if you want everybody's name. Here's how to send an email, including to me, you can do that, or you can go over here to contacts for me, MLA style. This is our MLA guideline, so for your citations. It's part of our textbook, but it's here if you're working and you don't have our book. We also have our handbook and that grammar quiz. We're going to do a little bit of our handbook every week to brush up on the fundamentals of syntax, grammar, language, and mechanics. So it's important that you know how to use words correctly. It's important that your sentences are right, that your verb tenses are right, and that your commas and periods and quotation marks are all in the right places. So this will help you. Academic writing is correct writing, so you want to make sure that you know your stuff. Under useful links, we have links to the library, some goodies from our textbook. The online writing lab at Purdue University is a wonderful resource. Hartness Library has these wonderful video tutorials that I'm using. Here are some dictionary links. Grammar Girl is a wonderful podcast that teaches you grammatical rules in everyday English language. Proofreader's marks, you can print these up if you want to learn how to mark up your paper by hand. And I think I copied this twice, which I will fix, but you can look through here. These are more goodies from our textbook. Student resources, here's another way to get to that. Everything, again, from tutors to the registration link. So check that out, and then you're going to be asked to evaluate the course, so please do so. Let's go back to where we started again. Here is the link for Blackboard Help. If you have any questions, always ask. And I'm only an email away.